our coracobrachialis, we have, like I said, a lot in the name. The coraco refers to the coracoid process, which is our origin. And we know now all three muscles that attach to the coracoid process. What are they?
Coracobrachialis, the minor,
Short head. Awesome. Yeah. So I asked which muscles attach to coracoid process. So it's the pec minor, short head of biceps, and now coracobrachialis. Heads up, in case you don't know yet, if you say attach instead of origin or insertion, it can include either, which is nice when you're kind of talking about an attachment like that, because some could be the origin, some could be the insertion. So our insertion is the medial surface of the mid-humeral shaft, and this happens to be really deep. So I would not call that actually palpable where it inserts, but you can palpate the muscle itself. Let's talk about its actions and then its palpation a little bit. We can flex the shoulder and adduct the shoulder. Now, this picture is a little misleading, but when you're actually palpating this muscle, it feels really thin, but strong. So if you have your arm up and you feel abduct and you feel behind the biceps brachii, there's a skinny, strong, thick muscle. That sounds contradictory that it's thin and thick, but you'll see if you palpate it that it's not very wide, but it's very strong. Very big word of caution when you palpate that area. Don't go behind it because you've got nerves and arteries there. But if you just start by feeling biceps brachii and then just palpate right behind it, if you go up and down, you'll feel the tight muscle. Yeah. That's another one of those muscles that a lot of people are very kind of amazed when you can find it. Because it's not one that usually kind of like people can feel like, oh my God, I'm so sore, like right there. But then when you massage it, it can be part of the pattern of what's bothering them.
how close would be the
Yeah, it's more medial. Yeah. Yeah. Good question. And deeper. Yeah, where you're not so much working like directly on the fascia of the attachment, but you can definitely work on the muscle. Yeah. All right. Any other questions or comments?
So when someone flexes like the bicep, is the coracobrachialis that muscle that makes that movement?